Digital technology is woven into the very fabric of our lives. It's revolutionized the way we live, work, and play. Now we have sleek devices that connect us to the world at the touch of a button. Digital technology has aimed to make everything faster and easier. But have you ever stopped to wonder how it all works? This magical interplay between us and our devices. It's all thanks to the fascinating world of hardware and software. These two elements, like a perfectly matched pair of shoes, work in perfect harmony to make the digital magic happen. Once you understand the basics, you'll be navigating the digital world with the confidence of a seasoned pro. Let's start with the more tangible of the two, hardware. This is the physical stuff you can actually touch. Think of it as the body of your beloved gadget. It's the sleek casing of your phone, the keys on your keyboard, and the screen that lights up with all those apps and messages. Hardware encompasses everything from the tiny circuits inside your device to the ports you use to connect it to other gadgets. It's the nuts and bolts, the gears and wires, the tangible elements that make up the physical form of your digital device. Don't let the technical terms intimidate you. We're not here to dissect a computer like surgeons. Just think of hardware as the physical manifestation of digital technology. It's the stage upon which the software, our next topic of conversation, gets to shine. Now, onto the more ethereal side of things, software. This is the invisible force that breathes life into those sleek gadgets. Software is a collection of instructions, often called programs or apps, that tell the hardware what to do. It's the reason your phone knows how to make a call, your laptop can connect to the internet, and your tablet displays your favorite photos. Think of software as a digital orchestra conductor. It orchestrates all the different hardware components, telling them when to work, how to work, and what to do. Without software, your shiny devices would be nothing more than expensive paperweights. Mouse, touchpad, screen. Your digital sidekicks. Now that we've covered the basics of hardware and software, let's dive into some specific examples of how they work together to make our digital lives so fabulous. Let's start with some input devices, shall we? The mouse, not the rodent kind, that trusty little gadget we push around our desks, is a prime example. When you move the mouse, sensors inside detect the motion and send signals to the computer. The software then interprets those signals and moves the cursor on the screen accordingly. Then there's the touchpad, the sleek and sophisticated cousin of the mouse. It works in a similar way, sensing the movement and pressure of your fingers to control the cursor. And let's not forget the touchscreen, the ultimate in intuitive interaction. With a touchscreen, your finger becomes the input device, directly interacting with the software on the screen. These devices are the bridges between our physical actions and the digital realm. Talk to the hand, or screen. Speech recognition. But who needs to fiddle with mice and touchpads when you can simply use your voice? Speech recognition software has become incredibly sophisticated, allowing us to control our devices and create text simply by speaking. It's like having your own personal assistant at your beck and call. This clever software analyzes the sound waves of your voice, converts them into digital data, and then interprets the meaning to follow your commands. From dictating emails to setting reminders, speech recognition is making our digital lives even more effortless. Shake it up. Accelerometers in action. Now, let's talk about a sensor you might not even realize you're using. The accelerometer. This tiny but mighty device can detect changes in motion and orientation, and it's hiding in everything from your smartphone to your fitness tracker. Remember when you had to manually rotate your phone screen to view photos in landscape mode? Well, thanks to the accelerometer, those days are long gone. This clever sensor detects the orientation of your device and automatically adjusts the screen accordingly. And that's not all. Accelerometers are also used in fitness trackers to count your steps, in gaming consoles to detect motion controls, and even in cars to deploy airbags in the event of a collision. They're the silent guardians of the digital world, working behind the scenes to keep us connected, entertained, and safe. A digital symphony, how it all comes together. So there you have it. A whirlwind tour of the fascinating world of digital technology, from the physical components of hardware to the invisible seeming magic of software. It's a symphony of innovation that has transformed the way we live. Every time you tap, swipe, or click, remember that you're witnessing the seamless interplay of hardware and software. It's a beautiful partnership that allows us to connect with the world in ways we never thought possible. So embrace the digital age and all the wonders it has to offer. And the next
Want to rise to your full potential in your studies and revise like a boss? You can trust Study Guide today to have you covered. Subscribe to this channel and see our website linked in the description of this video to see revision articles to maximize your study gains.